So in our previous video, we had written the script to log out the user, and we had created this logout component to use the client hooks, that is user router and everything. So in this video, what I'll be doing is I'll be going ahead and creating a reset password page. Okay, forgot password page, not reset password actually. It should be forgot password. Now inside the components, inside auth, what I'll do is I'll create a forgot dash password, okay, dot component dot gs. Okay, now what I will do is I'll export default function, okay, forgot password component, okay, forgot password component, and we'll have some props like the token. Okay, first you have to see whether the token is valid or not. Okay, so here what I'll do is I'll make it a client component, use client. Okay, use client, and let us quickly add in the forgot password page. Okay, forgot dash password, okay, slash dot token. Okay, so what I'll do is here, wait a second, I think I named the folder wrong. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to nextjs.org, and inside docs, let me see what about catch-all routes. Okay, so routing and route groups, dynamic route. Okay, so layouts and templates. Okay, route. Wait a second, let me see about the pages, how to handle the catch-all routes. Okay, so routing. Okay, linking and navigating. Yeah, I think we can get something here. Okay, so linking and navigating. Wait a second. Okay, so inside dynamic segments, actually inside dynamic routing, dynamic routes, we will get the catch-all segments. Okay, optional catch-all segments. Okay, so okay, so what can we do is actually, so we have to do something like this. So inside the forgot password part, what I will do is, uh, I will create a optional catch-all segment, that is token. Okay, or we can do one thing. We can also go ahead and create a page.js. Okay, let us just go ahead and create that optional catch-all segment part slash page.js. Okay, slash page.js. Then what I will do is I will go ahead and catch. Okay, so I have to use JavaScript. Okay, so now what I will do is it said catch all parts. So first of all, I have to default function, export default function forgot password. Okay, so params is so it should be a function const token is equal to await params. Okay, await params. Now export default async function. So first of all, let us see what we are getting inside token console.log token. Okay, and return the forgot password component. Return the forgot password component, and what I'll do is I will create a div here, class name. Okay, so class name will be like min at screen. Okay, min at screen. Then we will have, what we'll have is pg gray 200. Okay, pg gray 200. Then what I will do is pg gray 200 flex. flex column, item center, justify center. Okay, justify center, and I will provide this forgot password component. Let us start our development server. After starting our development server, let me go here and let us see what we are getting when we are visiting this forgot password within the token. Slash forgot dash password. So if I'm visiting this page, let me see what I'm getting. So undefined. Okay, wait a second. I have to do one thing. Export const meta data is equal to title will be forgot password. Okay, forgot password. NextJS authentication. Okay, forgot password NextJS authentication. Now you can see we are getting undefined. Okay, now if I provide a token, let us say we are providing a gibberish token. Okay, now we'll get the token as like this. And now what I have to do is actually I have to check. Okay, actually I have to check const. Okay, so there are many tokens because it provides an array. Okay, so what I will do is, so first of all, let me see. Okay, so let us go ahead. If tokens, okay, let me pass in the tokens here. If tokens triple equals to undefined ampersand, okay, and tokens, okay, and tokens dot length triple equals to 1. Okay, so what I will do is I'll simply return this part. Okay, let us say just do one thing. Okay, so what I will do is I'll write here tokens. Okay, not of tokens, not of tokens, or tokens dot length triple equals to 1. Okay, so triple equals to 1. So we'll return this if we do not get any token or the token's length is equals to 1. Okay, so or else what I will do is if not of this, okay, if not of this, like or else let us do one thing. I'll provide here if tokens dot length, if tokens, if you are getting tokens, ampersand tokens dot length is greater than 1, is greater than 1, just go ahead and render h1, okay, h1 class text excel, okay, md text to excel, okay, to excel. So what we will do is we'll give an error that please token length. Okay, so I'll check that, and if I reload this, we are not getting anything. But once what I'll do is I will go ahead and render two tokens. Now tokens, console.log tokens.length. Okay, actually what we did is, okay, so I need to write a token, not tokens. Okay, please provide a single token. Okay, font, semi-bold, text, red. Okay, let us do one thing. Let us have a conditional rendering like, oh, wait a second. Let me see. Our token cannot, please provide a single token. Okay. Please provide a single token, or let us get for error. Okay. So how we can raise error.js, how to handle errors, error handling, parallel routes, okay, server action and mutation. Okay, so please provide a single token. Okay, now what I will do is, if I'm getting the token, okay, so now what I will do is I will go here and get in the token. I'm already getting the token. Okay, if not of token, if you're not getting any token, return this. Okay, return this. What I'll be returning is the card. Okay, class name max w. Okay, max w. I think we are giving 40 vw. Okay, 40 vw and w full. Let us save that and let us see if we're not providing any token. Okay, let us see. Cannot read properties of undefined reading length. Okay, so let me remove this console.log. Okay, so we are having a card here. Now what I will do is email schema. Okay, email schema. So email schema is equals to, what I will do is let me grab out that from here. Z dot object. So import z from Zod. Z dot object. Okay, invalid email address. Okay, now what we can do is we can write a const font is equal to use font. Okay, use font. I think we should do one thing that, okay, const form is equal to use form. Okay, so resolver, this dot resolver. Okay, and we'll be using email schema, default values, email. Okay, email is a blank string, and let us grab out this sign in form. Okay, let us grab out this part, this entire card. Okay, let me just remove this password field. Okay, I'll just comment out this part, this password field part, and I will just remove this. Okay, this particular thing from here. And then what I have to do is I have to actually bring in the form component, import form from /UI/form, then form field, okay, sorry, form field, then form control, form label, okay, and we will also import the input component, input from /UI/input. Okay, now I think we have imported everything except the for message. Okay, so here what I will do is I'll bring in this part and we have to import Axios. Okay, I think I forgot to import. Okay, I have to import card content is not defined. Okay, so I have to actually import card header, card content, card header, and card title. Okay, and if I'll save it, let us see what happens. Okay, import button. Okay, then import Axios instance, then import toast. Let us save that and let us see. Const loading is not defined. Okay, so const loading, comma set loading is equal to view state false. Okay, and const router is equal to use router. And let us see whether we are sending the token from the backend or not. Okay, so actually we are not sending the token from the backend. So we have to do one thing. I think I forgot to send the reset token from here. Okay, so what I will do is email response.success. I am having two parts now. So what I will do is I'll send the reset token from here. Okay, I'll just save that. I had to actually send the reset token to the front end. I don't know how did I forget this part. Okay, so what I'll do is now let me bring out the token as well. Okay, so router dot replace slash forgot dash password. Okay, forgot dash password. Then if you're getting the success, so I will redirect the user to it. So then I will providing us additional slash. And here what I'll do is a response dot data dot let us say reset token. A reset token. Let us just save it. I think we shouldn't get next router was not mounted. So we have to import it from next slash navigation. Okay, login icon is not defined. Okay, mail icon. Okay, so we have to import mail icon instead of importing. Okay, so and right here send mail. Okay, send mail. And let me just also import loader to icon. Save it. Form item is not defined. We are getting a lot of errors. Okay, form item is not defined. Okay, now we are getting the sign up for a new account, not sign up for a new account. uh, reset your password. Okay, I think without rendering the entire component, without rendering the entire part, what you can also do is, so not delete C password. We are not gonna send the request to slash API slash sign up. What is the API out? Let me see. Slash API slash reset dash password. Okay, so I will send a post request to this route. Okay, and let us see if what happens. Okay, so let me enter my email. Send mail. Okay, send mail, and let us see what happens here. It's loading. I think we are getting a error, any error. Okay, please check your email. So let us check mail trap. Okay, let us check mail trap. It's not found. This page is not found. Let me see. What is my auth forgot dash password? Forgot dash password. Forgot dash password. Oh, sorry. It should be dash password. Okay. There's a typo. Okay. I had made a typo here. So it was all correct. Okay. So instead, what I will do is I'll render the card and everything. Okay. I'll render everything. Let me just copy that. I know that it's increasing the redundancy of the code. Okay, but what shall I do? So let me close the common bracket here and I will remove the email field once I'm getting the token. Okay, and here what I will do is I'll make the request to this URL, this particular URL. Okay, so if I'm getting the token actually, so I'll make the request to slash API slash reset password. Okay, slash and provide this token. Okay, I think instead of naming it as forgot password, I should name it as reset password. Okay, so let us just name it as reset password. Okay, and also here in the page, let me just rename it as reset dash password. Let us rename the consistency across the application. Let me just stop the server. In page.js, page.js, get forgot password, it was not found. Let's just enter reset dash password. Reset of password, send mail. What's happening here? So, reset dash password. Okay, so I have to do one thing. I have to write here reset dash password. Okay, instead of mail icon, I will lock icon, lock, lock icon from Lucid React. It's making duplicate imports. I don't want that. Okay, lock icon. Okay, and what I will do is I will go inside the profile page. Okay, so inside the profile password change, I had these two fields. Okay, I had these two fields. What I will do is I'll import them here and bring them here. Instead of these two font fields, I'll render the new password and confirm new password field. Okay, and what I will do is here instead of having this schema, okay, let me just remove this font field from the above when I'm not getting a token, I had commented out the fields. So let me just remove that. And here I will define the password change schema. Okay. Password change schema. What this will have is it will only have it will not have any old password. Okay. So name it as reset password schema. Reset password schema. Okay. Now here what I will do is here I am returning everything. Now reset your password and form that handle submit. Okay. And after successful uh, reset, what I'll do is I'll redirect the user to slash login. Okay. And redirect the user to slash login. Now choose a new strong new password, confirm a new password. Let us see if we're having any additional errors. No, we are not having any additional errors. And what I have to do is I have to fix the typo above. When I'm not getting the token, let us just redirect the user to slash reset password slash this. Okay. Let us say will not redirect the user anywhere because we want the user to manually click on the link and get redirected to this particular reset password. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and again what I'll do is I'll send a reset password link. Okay. If I click on send email, it's telling me to enter valid email address gmail.com and I'll click on send email again. Okay. Please check your email and let me check in the MongoDB Compass whether my reset token is being updated or not. My inbox. Okay, let me check. So first of all, let me check which reset token I'm getting here. Okay, so 8080, it's ending with 8080. So let us check reset password tokens. Yeah, our reset token is being completely changed. So I'm having this token here. Okay, so click on reset password. Okay, and I'll be redirected to this page. Okay, now here what I have to do is I have to choose a new password. Let us say, so one issue, what is the issue? Let me see. Uh, and the component. Okay. Let me check what's the issue. Oh yeah, so it should be actually we should use the reset password schema. Okay, will not use that email schema. Okay, so new password, and here we'll have the confirm new password. And also when I am sending the request, okay, when I'm sending the request, I will delete data confirm new password. Okay, I'll just delete that part. Let us check again. Okay, okay, and if I'll click on reset password, so let us check what you are getting as the response. Hmm, I think there is any issue. Is there any issue? 405 method not allowed. Actually, we are giving a put request, not a post request actually. Okay, so let us just save that and reload it. Okay, we need to send a put request, not a post request. Okay, password reset successfully. And let us just try to log in. I don't know why I'm always writing login here. I have to write a sign in, not login. Okay, I have to write a sign in. Now, if I'll try to reset the password again, let me check. Okay, let me check. If I'm trying to reset the password again, invalid reset token. Okay, invalid reset token, and it should actually set loading to false. Okay, set loading to false. Okay, set loading to false. Let us check again. Click on this. Okay, invalid reset token. Okay, now if I'll go ahead to sign in, let us go ahead to sign in and try to sign in with CWL 2006 username. Okay, so I'll enter the password, click on sign in. Now logged in successfully. Yes, now it's working. Okay, now it's working. And let us check what's the issue now. Cannot read properties of undefined reading address. Cannot read properties of undefined reading address. What's the issue here? What's the issue? Cannot read properties of undefined reading address. Okay, so there is one error. Okay. So what is happening is if that is undefined, actually it's trying to reading the profile details which is null. Okay, so it's showing the error that cannot read properties of undefined. So I have just fixed the error. Now if I try to reset my password, let us check if it's working or not. Click on update. Updating. Yes, password updated successfully. Now let's check the logout part. Logged out successfully and will be redirected to login page. CWL 2006. Okay. Yep. Cannot read properties of undefined reading address. But it's always raising that error. Okay. Data.profile. Okay. If data.profile, data.profile.address or else give it a blank string. Okay. If that exists, okay. Let us just log out and try to log in again. I think that's giving one issue. Okay. Sign in, logged in successfully. Okay. So now we are not getting any errors. Okay. So this was all about the reset password. And what I will do is in the next video, I have to fix some errors in the backend part. Okay. So I don't think I need to fix those errors, but still we have to address those. Okay. Video number 19 complete. Okay. Now let us push in the changes. Okay. So github.com and you'll get the entire course source code. Okay. Free on GitHub. Okay, just it was just 35 minutes ago that I had completed the video number 18 and concurrently I recorded video number 19. So we'll be recording video number 20 minutes after this and we'll be giving a farewell to this particular course. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you next time.